Hi, I am Mrs. Conyan Talanya Magnay Giamantisa Jr., also known as Mrs. Conyan Talanya Magnay, because in the first thinking process when it comes into ancient continent is to why I feel being copy of not Asian country. No, no. I want to behave only or talk. What it is about is Temiko. Talk. Yung I could hear the voice of who's that person. There's person on my right ear. I'll talk. When it comes into ancient continent, what I think of is uh, asynchronous to connects them on being ancient continents. When it comes into connects them on ancient continent, it is about balancing. Yan. When it comes into balancing, it is about uh, the existence of them. When I say existence of them, it is about uh, wait, I'll talk, but the right eye is putting me on fast mode, even though myself is talking on seriousness, of which is goodness, and then exercises of brain. The right eye doing is killing me. So when it comes into balancing, and then about the ancient continent, the next of it is myself is on traditional. When it comes onto traditional, year 2021, it shows it released my about traditional on myself, which is about Cinderella. Ganun. I am goodness person, work, love, life, travel. Next, Takmol, Kokonian na 100%. I'll talk more. Notorious personal tends to invade. I will talk more. Hmm, that is during year 2021. When it comes onto that, what I think of is there is person that interferes on my mouth in Chit dialecto. I not know what it means. And then what it is about in Chit dialecto on my mouth, I am a visitor on their house. The criminal is on my right eye, gold digger, does not want me to be happy. They is copying me, getting of what is mine, gold digger. Ew, yeah, lover, let's go. Alex Jr. ko is tall height. Tall height, Alex ko 6 feet and 6 inch. What else? I want to talk about the Inchik dialect, Inchik continent. On Inchik continent, I say about India and South Korea, Treaty of Law. Is that good? About the existence of words, new words that I cite on dictionary. Could not be. Temiko, I am here Philippine. I not know. Hey, only time. Bad person disease. I will ponytail my hair. The right ear of myself is anger to myself that he is killing me. What else could they say? It is good that tukin flag of inchi. Why it is on the specific country? No. That is on my memory. I feel scared now. I am from Philippines. 29-year-old Philippine. I will talk. Mm, the flag. Mm, the flag is not similar on my memory. I I am lover of Alex ko. Okay. There is anger that I talk. Person to person is me. I am part of community. What else? That is when I say about in Chick continent. That is year 2023. Year 2023. It starts um, actress Angel Locsin is on my right eye. It starts. What is that? Mm, I am thinking if it is year 2021 or year 2023 about Inchik continent. Year 2021 about thinking process of how to connect them, balancing. And then the year 2023 is a talking of traditional about on Inchik continent, the effect of it on myself, the traditional on myself release about Cinderella traditional. Yun. And then, it is happiness. Happy, happy. I not know when it will exist on earth. My phone is 5%. I not know if they will show it or not. I not know. For 20th century, what else? I not know. They writing it or I not know observe it. Not know. What else? Not one thing. Alex Lover ko, Severine Junior Brown skin color. The balancing. When it comes onto balancing, oh, it release as well the truth world map on my mind. Not there is the Korea. Korea is not attached on China. And then there is with, and then tall, and then not being attached to the Russia or India. That is the truth world map. It is on my mind. Not know why that is the world map currently. No, no. Korea is huge as well. That is my talking year 2021 and then year 2023. So, oh, I am already done on saying that. Next already is me. Hmm. What is another being shows on the right eye is they tends to copy my thinking on Treaty of Law. I not know why. About Inchik dialecto. About Inchik dialecto, that is my observation year 2021 before it happens that I cite the kid on nandidiri ako sa lugar on Fort Bonifacio. I am lover of Alex Ko, pure is me. They is killing me. They is targeting my wedding. I need to say of such this saying, not that saying of this talking of myself because of myself is goodness that behave on earth and then I not hurt other person and then they is killing me. That is why I talk. So when it comes into dialecto, it's suddenly something weird that happens about uh, life and then I suddenly talks about line words of inchik which is Chinese, Korean, Thailand, Japan, and then I not know, and then Chinese, Japan, and then Chinese, Korea, something such that combination. I not know what it means. In other words, I not know what it means. On a line, it is Chinese and then Korea, something such that. Rarely is Chinese, Korea, and Japan, something such that. Year 2021 it is. When it happens, suddenly the baby boy shows on Fort Bonifacio. And then when I go home, he is getting of what is mine about that line words. I not know why does the kid ages such that. Myself is being harassed of Bobo camouflage here, Philippines. Short height, nakakadiri, not even part of socialization or even life. Assumer. gold digger. The gold digger of that person is such a harassment. I not want that person. But that person be dead. What else? Hmm. I call out about the kid on Fort Bonifacio. So that is what I say on this morning. That is what only it is during on myself. It is March 22, 2025 today. So I am talking about the kid that I cite on Fort Bonifacio about uh, national ID. So when it comes onto that person, the kid, I not want Fort Bonifacio because they is criminal. Bobo camouflage is in there. So about the kid, when I cite the kid, the first happens on myself on sitting is panic, irritate, and then tug 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 tug, something such that. The definition of tug 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 is such as there is being attached. Attached meaning to say, uh, this is my this is my arm attached on myself, something such that. Yeah. The Bobo camouflage is putting me traumatization at the moment, killing myself. They is bad person that they should be dead. They is feeling high level. The being feeling high level of them is criminality. They is killing me. I wish talaga the traditional that is being released on myself do not show it because this country is so pervert never will benefit the person that is hurting me. Am I being understood? I am not bossy in here. Myself in here is being killed of a bad person here Philippine. Kabit number two is killer. Getting of what is mine. What else could I say about the kid? So when I say that kid, it is such as being attachment. And then he responds to me this one. He responds to me this one. Meaning of this length of his pointed finger. The meaning of it on myself is the age of him. I could not determine if it is 3 year old or 1 year old. That is how me and that kids during unsitting position. Because when I look to him, I say during that is year 2021. During year 20, when I go home, he as well interfere on my mind and then saying about that, meaning 1 year old or 3 year old. And then it is such as telling me about his age. He knows me. He calls me Mama. Now, the person that talks in my ear is killing me. They is killing me, of which is I wish they be dead. They is putting illness on myself. What else? That kid age, I hourglass. I not think of. There is gold digger at the moment. I'll talk now. What am I about to say? That kid ages as well, straight here, up or it's good that I talk about him so that about Gab kid. Why? I could feel that myself is being unhurting, even though they is the person that interfere. Could you think of that? They interfere, they slapping me, and then they is happy person. So what does it mean? They is happy while myself is being hurt. Meaning of it, they is happy that they is hurting me. They is killing me because of they is repetitive when talking on my ear. I am a person that talking only to Alex Junior po and not to other person. That is my 7 year black magic. Wait lang. The interrogation interferes on my mind year 2023. The person says interrogation. I will now talk about the kid. So the kid on Fort Bonifacio, I calls him Bulinggit because of kid age. And then he calls me mama, mommy. Mommy is what she names me. She calls me not mama. And then myself is being bullied. I feel traumatized under bullying. Harassment it is. They tends to uh, body movement my reproductive organ. Very wrong they is. The kabit number 2 is killer. What else? The person that talks on my ear at the moment is the Cara. Whatever she talks, she should be dead because bad person be dead. I wish talaga of what is happening on myself. I cite them on deadness, which is casket, because they talks on my ear. So what else could I say? When it is uh, COVID-19, that is year 2020, when is that? The vaccination. When the vaccination, second dose vaccination about COVID-19, I cite opposite gender of girl. And then the person vibes is say, I not want to talk at the moment. Punyeta kang panamukha, mamatay ka na. That person vibes is saying he is the father of that kid age, of which is I'm not thinking of because my thinking process is on the doing during that moment. And then, mm, the person that talks on my left ear is criminal. I wish if they is getting of what is mine, they be dead. I will talk more. What else could I say on that kid? The bobo camouflage talaga is criminal. Seriousness, the criminality. They is bad person. That is why I am seeking for help from police because the criminal on the situation on myself is bobo camouflage. They is bad person, no respect, no discipline, no attitude of goodness, and then they is on putting harassment, traumatization, killer, envious, tends to ruin my wedding, and then kabit, and then I not want them. They is not part of my life. Kuya Michael is insist of mine even though it is not onto him. And then myself is being put on a situation of uh, hurting. The bad person talks on my right, left ear is saying kakain pa daw sila ng marami and then they is killing me. Bad person be dead. Wala man na makakadiri. What else could I say? Uh, During year 2021 on national ID, the kid age, the mother of him, the standing person, the slim body, tends to say on myself, oh ayan na, the mother of Gab kid is showing on my mind and then a tumor on the right eye. So that is how they is ruining my life. I am a bride. I wish they will not be they will not enter Catholic Church so that they know to themselves of how they is criminal, demonyo, devil. They is criminal, bad person. So what else could I say? The girl gender standing position beside of that kid age. She talks to myself saying, such as doing such this body movement, I'm Tamihan. And then she is saying, and then she says, talaga ba, Connie? Uh, is it truth, Connie? Something such that. Talaga ba, Connie? Is it truth? Something such that. I feel traumatized in the word. I feel traumatized. They is putting on myself traumatization so that myself be bully on wedding day. That is how they is pervert. The right eye says, my right eye says, that is why bump head the person is. The bobo camouflage. So what else? Mm, the mother of that person, that kid saying on myself, ako ba talaga nanay niya? The vibes on myself is being says of such of that person. Slim, slim body. On English dialect, am I truthfulness the mother of her, of him? That is what she say on myself on the vibes. What else? Ew, lover next ko. What else? Inistos ako. What else about indoor? The bobo camouflage talaga is killer. Killer talaga, seriousness. I wish they we did. The bobo camouflage is killing me. They is bad person. Their family and family relatives will never benefit of what is mine. Seriousness is what I say. Please help me. Those person on Bobo camouflage will never benefit of what is mine or even of what is they sight of what is mine. Because of their killing, because of this tends to kills me. I am Connie and that talks. Especially Talanya Kasin, they will never benefit of what is mine. Ate Lenlen is clingy on myself. I not want them. They is hurting my ear. If you sight it on other camera video, myself is they tends to hurt. Especially those person that bully me. I will just be at the moment. Should I say such that? I not do anything wrong. What it is? What is being said when I am on toilet? What is being said is the reason why the year 2025 girl gender pops up on SM Aura about the slash head as well. That person is girl gender, bad person. The reason is trying to kill me on the use of black magic, getting of what is mine. That person has backer on Bobo camouflage, and then the Bobo camouflage is on my left ear. There is backer of that girl gender. The girl gender is on the right eye. They as well has creation of alibi situation. I not know of what they will put on such as on doing so that myself is they tends to hurt and they not tends to be dead. They use black magic. They is getting of what is mine. What is just being put on myself. They have face image inside of the church. I'm not thinking of them when it comes onto church. Myself is only Sunday Mass, Holy Mass. So they is killing me, and then they is doble cara. They tends to kill me, and yet they is hurting me. And they use black magic. They use black magic, feeling high level. Maganda ko. That girl gender is copying me, getting of what is mine, even though not onto about her. Love life ko, Alex ko. Alex Junior ko is mine. Ew, Alex ko. What else could I say? Mm, that girl gender is saying, uh, that girl gender is saying, ew, akin lang baby ko. Not want you. The portion year 2025 that I cite that girl when myself vibes is pregnant, I am not pregnant. They tend that person shows herself in front of me, and then she talks to the Bobo camouflage when I am already on walking towards market saying wag niyo siyang titigilan hanggat di siya namamatay. Yun sabi niyo to the Bobo camouflage. And then, in English dialecto, do not stop until she is dead. That is what is being said of the girl gender on SM Aura. talking on the person on my left ear. Naon, yun nakakadiri mga bobo camouflage. And then, the girl gender on my right ear during that moment, manalamin ka kaya? Sabi niya. In English dialecto, uh, try to look on mirror, sabi niya. During myself walking on market, I say, grabe, and then heaviness. I not know the other specific that the girl gender says. Akin lang, Alex ko. So, at the moment, they is hurting my stub on neck. The sting, the metal sting. At the moment, they is hurting it, and then in here, right eye. So, meaning of it, those girl gender on my right eye is truthfulness, getting my feeling. The meaning of getting my feeling is they is kabit that tends to ruin of a life that they not their own life. Akin lang, Alex ko. I wish that person will never benefits on my traditional. Akin lang, asawa ko. What else could I say? Please, when it comes into traditional, do not let other person to have it. Those person that is killing me. Sige naman na. Because they uses black magic and then I not know how to use black magic. They is killing me here Philippine. May nagmura oh. Please na help. I am Connie on. They is hurting me. The traditional is happy and yet they is hurting me. Please naman no. They is killing me. Seriousness. That is new trends on 20th century. Those person that hurts me. Criminal is kabit. Kabit is lover relationship destroyer. Mine is mine. They not letting me to enjoy life and yet they is getting of what is mine. Older family and family relative. Please naman no. Until my deadness, until my dotage, old age. Please, do not let them feel of what is mine, even the eyesight. Because they is killer bad person be dead. Please naman no, mafia. Kapal na mukha kasi nila invade ng invade, interferes on my life that they is not their, that they not life is my life. Now they is putting me on an energetic and then going at mall. Please naman, oh, help. My ear is such to swallow already, oh. This one, oh. And then in here. This is killing me. Please naman, oh. Please. Seriousness. The traditional for 20th century, they should not tends to enjoy it or tends to look on it or tends to have it. Please naman, no. They're, they're being kabit is killing me, hurting me. They talks on my right ear. This right ear. Please. He is killing me. On my mind, they is putting me on deadness. Habaong, even though I am alive. Let the other country enjoys of my traditional for 20th century. No, wait. Nadahan ko yan. Wrong that is. Seriousness is me. On sky. On sky on earth. Initial observation when my parents go at Barangay Pinagsama, the happiness vibes is being out on indoor. So that is good. Chemical. I never hurt myself consistent. My cousin as well is bullying me. For lifetime trees. What else? Wow, lupit. Seriousness, I am a girl gender. I wish talaga iris be um, my traditional for 20th century is they not feel it or sight it here Philippine. Yeah, I wish they not feel or even an eyesight of what is mine when it comes onto traditional for 20th century because they is hurting me, they is killing me. Bad person be dead, kabit be dead. They is trying to destroy my talking at the moment. When where am I will talk already? I wish talaga, please help me. They is killing me on the use of black magic. This is a camera video of myself. The 20th century traditional that I am talking is of what I am saying on this camera video about Cinderella. Mine is mine. They bully me for 7 years. What else? Yeah. The bansot, the criminal, Bobo camouflage is killing me. Harassment. At the moment, the criminal girl gender is uses my energetic and then on the right eye doing imaginative. So what else could I say? Seriousness. I wish talaga but person be dead. Only add. What else could I say? I am on the kid age. I will proceed now on talking about the kid aged Bulingit. So that is year 2021 about Bulingit. Year 20 when it is. After year 2021, he as well includes on my panaginip. I not know why. That is why I need to say about my panaginip because that is life existence. Panaginip, dream. And then the dream that is on myself at the moment is minimal. It is such as they tends to pick of what is only to exist. I not know why. I should be with Alex Junior Go, but mine is mine. You, fourth year high school, it does not happen about hamburger moment of myself to Alex Junior Go. I not know why. I wish talaga bad person be dead. Sip extraction of knowledge, intelligence, the person be dead. I not want to talk at the moment, but I will proceed on talking about the kid age that I cite on Fort Bonifacio and Didiria. Hmm, akin Alex Junior ko go to my, will go to, will show himself to myself. Time ko at the moment. Proceed na ako on talking about the kid age. Si Bulinggit. Year 2021 as well. Year 2022. Year 2021. Bulinggit is on BGC. Residence on BGC. With his mother or what? I don't know. Bulinggit shows himself on myself playing Mobile Legends. And then he is on BGC. Right eye or left eye? Right eye. He shows himself on myself right eye. Right eye it is. My head is on such disposition. I lay on my bed and then I sighed Bulinggit, laying